Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. I'm here with Lou. He's got a 2000 Harley Davidson pickup. It was a collaboration between Ford and Harley back in the day to make this truck. I think they were going to make about 7,500 of them. And they stopped production around 4,000 or 5,000, right, Lou?
Something like that.
This truck has 2,830 miles.
Yeah.
Amazing. You're a second owner too, right?
And
Where'd you pick it up?
at Huntsville, Alabama.
Okay. How many miles did it have on it then?
400.
Sheesh. Amazing. I have never in my life seen one like this. No less the ads and docs you have on it. It's pretty incredible. So tell us about it.
2000 Harley Davidson F150. It's got a 2-inch lowering kit in it. It's got lightning tail lights.
It's got the originals.
The originals. It's got the Harley Davidson F150 Bedliner from Ford.
Never seen that.
It's got the Harley Davidson F150 bug deflector from Ford. It's got Harley Davidson license plate frames on it from Ford. It's got the additional Harley Davidson placard on the tailgate.
Ah, yeah.
Which they didn't come with.
No. It's got the window sticker.
Got the window stickers for Harley Davidson.
The checklist when it was brand new.
Yep.
Window
sticker.
Window sticker. Why don't you pop the... This is also from Lear too.
Yeah.
Gorgeous. And it opens with the Harley Davidson key, as you can see. Man, look at this Duraliner from Harley Davidson. And then he's got, which I've never seen before, the keychain and the placard. As you can see, it's vehicle number 3263. Never seen that. Certificate of origin. It's got a little handwritten note with just oil changes. And then he did a fuel pump because of the new crappy ethanol gasoline. Owner's guide, warranty guide, installed low jack. Man, and look at this brochure. Never seen that. It's freaking epic.
You flip it over.
Oh. Wow, shows you all the options and all that stuff. Cool. That's neat. Man, where'd you find that?
Porsche.
Like Hershey or Carlisle? Or
Something like that, yeah.
Maintenance program. Lear owner's manual. Window sticker. Jeez. Incredible. It's like a time capsule. The little bag that everything came in. The checklist. Amazing. And the Goodyear tire warranty, which it still has the original tires on it, which are incredible. Nothing has ever even been in this bed. And it's literally like new.
Been in a heated, air-conditioned garage its entire life.
Beautiful.
Never been in the rain.
Can't even imagine. Man, look at those wheels. Everyone I've seen, the wheels are just flaking apart. People drove these.
Yep.
No one ever really intended on, you know, keep them as a classic. And it looks great with the lowering kit. Harley Davidson bug deflector too. Look at that. Never seen that. Where'd you find that?
Bug deflector?
Yeah.
Ford.
Ford.
Ford had it.
Wow.
Everything came out of Ford.
Amazing. Wait till I see the interior too. It's loaded. It smells like fresh leather. Pristine. Man, and Harley Davidson plate frame. Killer. Look how crispy this is. I doubt anyone has ever even stepped on that bumper pad. And the lightning taillights look really good too. Got the originals. They fit beautiful. And he also added, which I noticed, a little, it almost looks etched in there. Is it etched? But it's a sticker. You can't really focus on it, but trust me, there is a Harley Davidson emblem right there.
There's one in the back window also.
Gorgeous. Jeez, yeah. You get hit right in the face with a waft of fresh leather. Beautiful. If you're looking for a brand new Harley Davidson pickup to add to your collection, this is it. Beautiful. Love how it's embossed. So crispy. $2,839 miles. That is just incredible. Look at the steering wheel too. It's optional 6-disc changer in here too. Doesn't CD changer, yeah. Doesn't even look like he's ever put a cup in this cup holder. It's like artwork. Beautiful. So beautiful. Here's the sticker. You can see it much better from this side. It almost looks like an etch from the outside. So pretty. Hey Lou, can you open the hood? Wow. Gorgeous. First thing people did back then was throw headers, exhaust, intake. This is frankly incredible. Even the rock. Beautiful. Hands down, it's gotta be the nicest one in the world. Man, even the clip here. Usually they're all twisted and broken clips. So cool. Factory clamps. Yeah, super impressive. Even a skew on here from the parts department. Ford. Man, impressive. Look at the felts and everything. It's beautiful. Love this clear passage through it. So cool. Such an innovative design back in the day. You know? Man, look how crispy the seatbelts are. Brand new. Gorgeous. Well, guys, I don't even know what to say. If you're looking for a brand new Harley Davidson extended cab F150, just found it. Lou, thank you for being the caretaker of this truck all these years.
Mm-hmm. It was fun. It's a great truck to drive.
Right?
Hate parting with it, but
no room. Guys, hit me up. 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button. Visit my website, weebyautos.com. And hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.